Hello everybody, I've just landed on site, excuse me, and I'm just checking around. We're at the back end of hurricane or severe storm Cira, but I believe on the weekend with another storm front coming in. Derek, something like that. So we're getting battered at the moment. I've come down because I've been catching up on a couple of old McDarby's updates, and Mick's been hit pretty bad with glass breakages on his greenhouse, and also on the polycarbonate tunnel that he's got up at the top, the polycarbonate greenhouse that he's got up at the top. A lot of the panels, probably, I don't know how many there were, 5 maybe panels have been pulled out of that. So I'm going to have a look and see if there's any damage on ours. Fingers crossed. And well done, Mick. I've just had a quick look over your side. Yours is back to ever it was. You've done a sterling job on it, mate. Well done. But yeah, we're going to have a check out. It was playing on my mind, so I know Mick's been keeping an eye out, but he's playing on my mind because it's been bad all day again today with the wind. So let's have a look in real time, see what's going on. Better go up to the lady farmer's greenhouse first and check that out. There's a crack there. I wonder if that was there before. I'm probably tempting fate here because we've got another storm front coming in. Derek, we haven't half been battered though, you know, these last 3-4 days we've been hammered. I'm just checking the clips on these because one of Mick's major issues was the clips that clip the windows in. Thank God that's alright anyway. Bloody hell. The polytunnel, or the polytunnel build as we're building, I might have to look at these are a bit rickety, but they are holding, they seem to be holding in. Touch wood so far. God, it's battered us. This last 3 days it's been absolutely terrible, the weather. I'll just make sure these are going to be alright. I don't want anything flying around and causing any damage to mine or anybody else's, you know. That's where you've got to be a good neighbour and look out for each other. This is burning up well though. I suppose there's no sheeting on it, is there, at the moment? Okay, so far so good. Fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed. These are scattered, and I'm going to have to sort these out. It's eerily quiet now at the moment. Hey, I bet that's one of Mick's panels, that. He was looking for one. It's blown over here, Mick. I'll tell you what, I'll get this, that's one of Mick's panels off his polycarbonate one, that. Hey, I've saved you £4, pal. I know it's not much consolation, mate, but it is. I'm going to take it round to yours now. Make sure you've got it on. I'm thinking it's that one, that anyway, because there's none of mine missing, so. And I think, watching the video this afternoon, he was looking for one, wasn't he? Greenhouse is looking good now. Like I say, I had a look at it a bit earlier. I'll just get this over your side, mate, so you've got it for tomorrow if you're down. I think Michael's on as well over there. I'll go and see him. Sorry about that, fella, mate. It's just, I have to come down. I had to come down. Like, it was playing on my mind. I had to come down and have a look and check, make sure everything was all right. I'm rambling, aren't I? I sound like a right scaredy cat. I'll go and give Michael a lift if he needs one later. Right, my friend, it's in there. It's going to be alright in there. See? Well, that's definitely one of them. That's come out of the off our side. It's come off this, that, definitely. So if you put your other ones there, they are, Mick. I'll put them there, my friend. Hopefully save you £1 or £2. Shocking, innit? It's shocking. But we'll repair it, nil desperandum, we'll get it sorted. Mick will definitely. He doesn't hang about, Mick. I'll get it sorted, that. A good lad. Right. So that's me. Michael over there, see how he's getting on. Alright, see you in a bit.